In this video, we'll show you how to prepare your Plenty Market shop for ClearVAT. Sign in to your Plenty Markets backend. Click on Plugins and choose Plenty Marketplace. Click on the magnifier and search for eClear. Click on the Go to Checkout button to download the eClear plugin. Hint: all instructions following in this video are also displayed in the download page. Go back to your Plenty Markets backend. Click on Plugins and choose Plugin Set Overview. Open the plugin set of your standard shop. Click on Add Plugin. Click on the eClear plugin and choose Install. Go back to the plugin set in which you installed the eClear plugin and activate it. Release the plugin set by clicking on the cloud icon. Back in the dashboard, click on Setup. In the left menu bar, click on Plugins, open your standard shop and choose eClear. In Account Information, enter the account details that you received from eClear in your welcome email and click on Next. In Product Selection, enable VAT rules and ClearVAT and click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next again. In summary, review all the entered information and click on Finalize. Click on Plugins in the upper menu and choose Plugin Set Overview. Disable the eClear plugin. Update your plugin set by clicking on the cloud icon. Great! You've completed the first part. To finish the setup, please watch the second part of this video.